Wheel Doctor is a mobile alloy wheel repair company serving Surrey, Sussex, Kent and London. As a full-service alloy wheel specialist, we will provide alloy scuff and smart repairs, lease car wheel repairs, don't pay the big fines, full-face refurbishment, colour changing, welding on split or bent alloy wheels. At Wheel Doctor, we only use quality products and our fully trained operatives can cope with any situation, providing a finish that only a fully trained professional can achieve. Wheel Doctor has been repairing wheels for over 10 years. The following 3 tips when making your booking will speed up your appointment time. 1. Text or email a picture of your wheel damage so we can instantly quote. 2. Ensure there is an electric point for the mobile body shop. 3. Parking will need to be for a long wheelbase high-topped van. Wheel Doctor is confident we can fix any wheel via our mobile unit or, if the damage is severe, in our workshop. To find out why Wheel Doctor is right for your wheels, give us a call today.